Hey guys, welcome back to our channel.
Yes, today's video is going to be a little unusual. Since many asked, we decided to show you on how to take a picture like this.
Yeah, so first of all guys, now don't worry, it's not hard as you think. We're going to show you what exactly you need to take this photo.
Yeah, anybody can try this.
Even your mom.
Are true everywhere, and if they're not true everywhere, then we modify the laws. We change the ideas. That's what science is.
Welcome back, guys.
So now we are going to show you what exactly you need to take. Yeah, let's get back to the video.
So you need a camera which can shoot in manual settings, and if you don't have one, you could use a phone or a GoPro. The choice of lens is yours, but it's always better to use a wide angle lens. Also, it's very important to have a sturdy tripod because you don't want your camera to shake. Now this is called the Steelwool, and it's going to help us light the fire. You will have to use a whisk to keep the steel wool in place so that it's safe. You will also need a rope to help you spin the whisk. The final step is to burn the steel wool using a matchstick or a lighter. And I would highly recommend you guys to wear a hoodie for your own safety. Now it's time to light it up, and here are the 4 basic steps. So as you guys can see, you have to burn the steel wool for approximately 10 to 15 seconds for it to light up properly. And once you see the sparks, you could start turning it.
So now that you know how to light up the Steelwool, it's time to show you guys how to take the photo. So yeah, I'll see you then.
So you could start off by mounting the camera on the tripod. And here's the most important thing. You need to make sure the camera is on manual settings, and you should adjust the values as shown. Before taking the shot, it's really important for you guys to decide on the location, and if you are doing this for the first time, I would highly recommend you guys to try it out at the beach.
So once you're happy with the image, you could start editing it.
Here is the raw image straight out from the camera, and this is after color grading it using Lightroom, and later I punched in some details using Photoshop.
So that's about it guys. I hope you all learned something out of it.
And thank you so much for watching our video.
Yeah, and guys, we are giving away this lens ball. So if you want to win it, the rules are easy.
Just 3.
Yeah, so you gotta like, comment and subscribe on this video and the previous video.
And we'll be selecting from the comment section.
Yeah, so based on the comments. So if you guys comment on both the videos, you'll have a chance to win this.
And we will travel in 2 more countries before the end of this year.
Yeah, so we won't mention what are the countries, but
make sure to subscribe.
yeah, just make sure to subscribe guys. 2 more videos coming soon. And don't forget to follow us on Instagram guys. We'll be announcing the giveaway winners over there. And that's about it guys. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.